Welcome to WebStarburst. In this video, I will show you how to block ads on Android phone. There are multiple ways to do it. Pick one that suits your needs. To disable ads in Chrome web browser on Android, open Chrome web browser, press three dots at the top right, go to settings, scroll down, site settings, scroll down. You will find two options there, pop-ups and redirects, and intrusive ads. Disable these. I have disabled these already. Then go to mobile settings, go to apps, press three dots, special access, select appear on top, but your phone might have something like display over other apps. So look there. And from here, disable apps that appear on top, but not all. Disable apps from here that you know are useless. First of all, press three vertical dots and select hide system apps. And then you'll be able to see the apps that you have installed on your phone that display something over other apps. So select the app and disable it from here. Just like so. You can also search the screen by going to settings and search for appear on top. And select appear on top from here. Or you can also search display over other apps to find these settings easily. Next, use private DNS. To do that, go to phone settings, connections, more connection settings, private DNS. Set the DNS to dns.adguard.com. From these three options, select private DNS provider hostname, and then this is the host name. Use this, dns.adguard.com. If you can't find this setting in your phone, you can search for it as well. From settings, search, just type DNS, and there you will see private DNS. Another thing is to get an ad blocker. Go to Play Store and search ad block. Install any ad blocker with good reviews and you are set. So these are a few ways to disable ads on your Android phone. Let me know which one works best for you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.